Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at another intermediate part from our flat parts feature, and this will be P31 or part 31. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back into the program here, now today's shape, you can basically see it as two rectangles mixed. It is a little bit more advanced shape, but not that much. So now in order to do that, let's go to flat parts, then we go to P31 here. If I open this and we preview the little preview box, we can see here we've got 4 different values. The most important ones is the A and B, and this will obviously set the width and the height of the shape. And then we've got C and D, which will create as a little cutaway corner in the one side of it. So yeah, in many ways you can almost see this as a reverse of perhaps the P21. So if I zoom in here, but instead of setting these values, we're going to be setting the inside. So it's a very similar, just in reverse, you can say. So now obviously you do not want C and D to be bigger or larger than A and B, otherwise you're going to run into a little problem. And then yeah, we want to make sure A and B is our primary ones. So let's go. I'm going to just set in a few. So go 300, 200, and then let's maybe make one C about 50. And then D, I'm going to make 100. Leave the name the same and quickly preview it. We can see we've got a little step out here. Now obviously you can adjust this even more extreme if you want it. So let's say we wanted our C a bit larger. So the C and A, keep in mind that your C you do not want to be larger than your A. A is 300, so I'm going to make it quite large just for a test. So let's go 280. And then D, we don't want to go bigger than 200. So let's go 100 and let's go about 70. Say okay. As you can see, now we've got a little reverse of the other shape we're talking about. Now I'm going to go manual quantities 1, add it, and then we can add this shape to our canvas some way. Now I'm just going to quickly rearrange some of the shapes to fit them a little bit more snugly. And then just going to squeeze in this one so we can save some space. There we go. So that is our latest shape. Like I said, in many ways it's a reverse of the one that you can consider as an L. It's just instead of setting the outer edges, you're going to be setting the inner edges. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the shape. If we go to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.